Hello guys, now we'll be showing you the full tutorial of a calligraphy painting. This is the board and we have painted it white. The background is white, we have made the base. And now we'll be making the background of hot colors like yellow and red. And after doing yellows, this technique is called knifing. After applying yellow paint with knifing technique, we'll be then transitioning into more bold and dark colors, starting from red and browns. Then slowly we'll be adding more darker colors like the purples, black and royal blue, and the core will be this strong black, ebony black color. So here is the overall view of the full background for the calligraphy painting. The background is texture and the knifing the paint is easily visible as small patches. Now we'll be writing, oops, the paint was quite runny. So we'll be writing the Arabic font with paint and a brush with a thin paint just to make the base. So after writing our text, which says Nasrum min Allahi wa Fathun Kareem, like this. Now above this writing we'll be using a piping bag, and this bag there is antique gold shade, and we'll be writing it like this. Now we have pasted the pieces of newspaper with the cutouts. After applying the modeling paste to give it an embossed finish, we'll remove the newspaper and then we'll be getting the exact shape. While doing this, the board was laid flat on the table horizontally so that all these wooden shavings don't fall down. So now it's dry and hard. After that we'll be giving it more shape like a dome, more with the more clear lines on it, just like the architecture, the real architecture. And now in the piping bag we have paint, thick paint, and we'll be marking the boundaries, the walls, the minarets of mosque with the help of this piping bag, just to give it more texture and embossed finish. This is the background of the writing, like this with piping bag. The walls, the minarets, the arches. After completing it, what we'll be doing is we'll take golden paint. This is the royal gold paint in a piping bag, and we'll cut a very thin hole, not more than a needle, and then the paint will flow out like this. And with the help of this royal gold, we'll give finishing touches and more design to the markings which we have already done with the piping bag. Now our writing is embossed, the background is textured, and this mosque is also textured. If you're able to see, just look how much thickness this, how much height this is having. So this is all possible because of the filling of the wooden shavings which we did earlier. Now this is almost a complete look, but not fully completed. So we'll be giving more details with the help of royal gold color to the mosque, the tiny and minute details, so to make it look more extraordinary. the thin straight lines of gold in the dome of a minaret. And here we go. This is the crescent, and when we'll see the painting, it will look something like this from far away. Although it's a huge painting, it's a painting on a very big canvas, but as you try to look into more details, the more details you will find. And finally, the signature. Thank you for watching.